Hello, friends. Welcome back to another session of my crypto predictions. Today is the I always forget it's the 9th of July, and you can see today we got a new all-time high, just like I predicted, guys. Just like I told you. In the very last video that I made, I actually told you that this will happen in this week. Okay, and I also told you it will be extremely likely to happen in this range of days of this green box. It covers the 7 to the 9. So we got a correction on the 7, a small recovery kind of in range in the 8, and a very, very strong pump today where Bitcoin just absolutely goes ballistic today. I mean, look at this. If we try to measure this from the starting position to the highest, we got around 3%. So that's pretty decent. It's not the highest I've seen. Uh, we can go even higher than this in the coming days. If I were to say, more possible candidates will be the other days in this next green box, which goes from the 11 to the 13. Okay, maybe we can go even higher than this. But yeah, guys, what else can I told you? Uh, I predicted this back in January. Okay, the first time I talk about this, well, I never actually gave you that this month of July will see possibly the ultimate all-time high of this year. But that's some information that I actually provided to my clients. They knew well in advance, way in advance. Everyone who requested the Bitcoin chart, the monthly chart, I told you and I specifically detailed that this month of July will see a new all-time high. Okay, we've been seeing Bitcoin going up in May, in the last month as well, but this is the highest position right now. Historically, for Bitcoin, this is the highest position as of right now. It could change, like I told you, it could go even higher than this. I actually expect it to go even higher than this. And there's also the possibility of seeing another new, even better all-time high, not in this month, but in the next ones. Okay, I won't give that information for free. Okay, if you want that information, you'll have to contact me through email. But yeah, basically anyone, any of my clients can tell you right now that all of this has been, it's like magic. It has been crafted in such a way for such a long time. Months ago, like I just told you, back in January, I was actually making the monthly prediction for Bitcoin. That was the first time I was testing a new method because, as you can see, not only I can predict the future, but I also can perfect my own methods. Okay, that's something that I have been doing, working consistently, not just on finances, on other stuff as well. And you can see right now, everything that I told you, everything that I predicted months ago, everything that I have been telling my people, the closest of my community to prepare for these months. I gave the warnings many, many days in advance. Okay, I gave the warning that March and February will be extremely bad months for crypto. Imagine if you had listened to me back then and you had actually put a short, I mean a long, in any day basically of May, you will have been in massive profits right now. Massive profits. And unfortunately, this is only for Bitcoin. As you can see, other altcoins have barely benefited from this. We'll cover this very soon, at least the other chart that I made for Solana. But yeah, guys, just so you can see and notice with your own eyes the accuracy that I bring, that I have. And like I told you, this will eventually go, it will eventually have to be toned down because I cannot just keep providing this for free. I would, but the work needs way more support, way more. It's just it's just unbelievable that you see some trash YouTube channels with way more subs, way more activity, way they are being retweeted more, they are being published more, and they publish nothing but trash, absolute garbage. And I'm the only one who gives you the clear details, the exact dates, way in advance, months in advance. I can even tell you what year is going to be good, what year is going to be bad, months, weeks, days, whatever, even minutes, guys. I don't know if you remember, but I have even published minutes charts. So I'm talking about the 5 minute, 10 minute time frame, and I do that all for free. So this needs to get lots more support, or I will be kind of forced to tone it down, and eventually only my clients will see this because that's what they deserve. I mean, they are being the most supportive of the people that follow me. So yeah, like I told you, expect some powerful impulses again around the 11 to the 13. I'm not saying all of them will be, but many cool. At least one of these days will be a strong impulse. So tomorrow is possibly going to be another volatile day. It's likely because we're talking cryptocurrency right now. If I were talking stocks, maybe that's not going to be the case. But with crypto, you can see it's very likely to see 2 consecutive days of volatility. In that case, it's going to be kind of undecided tomorrow. Okay, we'll see pumps and corrections at the same time. But you prepare for this because after the 13 comes a range where I believe it's going to lead to corrections. And just like I've been telling you since I published these July predictions, around these dates, around the 20th of July, the last 10 days or so, I believe we'll see mostly just corrections. So we have to prepare. And in any case, maybe we can still wait a little bit more if it pumps even higher and start to put this as short. Okay. That's just my opinion, obviously. I do not give any financial advice of any kind. So that's all for Bitcoin. Now let's cover Solana. And Solana as well, as you can see, very volatile day. Also present on these days. I told you the 9 for Solana will also be very volatile. Also within this green box. Very, very powerful. Now Solana, as you can see, also provided some very quick opportunities for shorting, but they were actually kind of decent. For example, imagine this short right now jumps to 5% or something. That could be very decent gains, very quick profit. But yeah, the entire day was a green day. No question about it. You can see absolute pump right now, 5%, a little bit more than 5%. But yeah, very, very good for cryptocurrencies. And what else can I say, guys? I mean, it's been very good. It's been very, very interesting to see cryptocurrencies. They are actually, they are actually the largest money printers that you can ever wish for. Okay, you can make a lot of money if you're just doing cryptocurrencies. But yeah, regarding Solana, the same warnings that I gave and basically the same signals that I gave for Bitcoin will apply to Solana as well, with the only exception that maybe we'll see kind of more days in range, maybe. Okay, there's a massive circle right now, yellow circle, which has almost an entire week within this circle, and we can basically expect some. One of these days will have to be a range, so maybe it will be a little bit more slow down than Bitcoin. And finally, just as a final, I mean, I want to see with you guys what the stocks, what the gold prediction that I made kind of looks like. Okay, we're talking gold. So gold is going to dump on these coming days. Gold is going to dump. Also, a very volatile day for gold today. Look at this. Interesting, very, very interesting. But yet the coming days, the 10 or the 11 are going to be corrections. So we'll have to be prepared to see if there are any, if this can affect in any way the behavior or the performance of Bitcoin. Okay. But yeah, my friends, that's basically all I have for you. Like, share, and subscribe as always. Follow my work, especially on Twitter, where you can easily reach me. is where I'm the most active. And having said that, guys, have a good day, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.